In Lesson 1, we learned how to add and edit content in Microsoft Office. For Lesson 2, we will begin formatting the content we added. To begin, we want to make sure the title of the document really stands out. So what we'll do is we'll select the title, make sure that the phrase is highlighted. We're going to go to the paragraph option in the ribbon. We're going to select Center. Once we click Center, it'll move our text to the middle of the page. So now the title is in the middle of the page, but it still does not stand out the way we want to. What we'll do is we'll highlight the section. We're going to change the font size. By clicking here, we're going to see a drop down of different options. We're going to go ahead and set it at 24. We're going to bold it. And we're going to change the color of the font. We're going to click here, font color. It'll open a drop box and we want to set it to blue. So now our title really stands out. We also want to change group 1 so that it stands out but not make it as big as the title of the page. So for group 1, we're going to change the font size to 14. And we're going to change the font on the rest of the document to not be the same as the title. So we're going to start at group 1. We're going to select all our information and we're going to click on here on the font type and we're going to change it to Times New Roman. So now you'll notice that our font has changed for the information in our document. So now that we have our font set up the way we want it, we want to go ahead and number the information on our list. To do that, we will highlight, starting right here, Gracie Lopez. We'll click on it, drag our mouse, make sure that all the information that we want to number is highlighted. We go to paragraph section of the ribbon. Once again, we'll click on numbering. It'll open up a drop box. And although it says numbering, it could be numbers, it could be letters, it could be Roman numerals. For this lesson, we will select the first option. As you'll see, our information is numbered. If we add another name, it'll open up additional numbers automatically. So we're going to backspace, delete that since we don't have any more names. But now that we've numbered the information, we decided that we'd just rather have bullets, have a bulleted list. So what we'll do is we'll go back, highlight Gracie again, the information, drag your mouse to highlight all the information that we're going to be included in our list. Instead of numbering, we're going to go right next to it to the bullet. We click on this option and it'll give us either none to remove any bullets, or then we could select from the list that they have available. We're going to go ahead and just give it a standard little bullet, a circle. We click on that and our information is bulleted. Now you'll notice that it's given us a typo, but we've already reviewed this information and we've told it to ignore. And now we want to turn the page. We want to change the layout of this document. We will go to the Layout tab and we want to change the orientation from making it a portrait into a landscape. So we click on the orientation. From the drop box, we'll change it to be on the longer side. This will be landscape. And you'll notice that our page has now, it's longer across and shorter down to the bottom. So now we've gone ahead and changed our text. We formatted our text. We've changed the layout of our page and we've added numbers bullets to our list. This concludes lesson 2 on formatting your Microsoft Office document.